XRP is a cryptocurrency that has captured the interest of enthusiasts since its inception. It is the native token of Ripple, a payment system whose perfect feature is to dethrone SWIFT as the standard for international currency transactions. The project has had its share of setbacks. The SEC filed a lawsuit against Ripple for selling unregistered securities, precisely their XRP coin, at the end of 2020. As a result, it was delisted from leading cryptocurrency exchanges, being dropped. Significant price and have a relatively quiet 2021 compared to other popular coins. While Bitcoin, Ether, and a host of other cryptocurrencies have hit all-time highs, XRP is steadily rising to reach an all-time high hit in 2018. 6 years ago, you could buy XRP for just over half a cent. At this low price, a $1,000 purchase will net you around $173,000. The price of XRP is currently 40 cents. Thanks to this massive increase, your previous $1,000 will now be worth more than $147,000. This gain of more than 14,000% shows how much money can be made in the right cryptocurrency. However, as you will see from XRP price history, knowing when to buy and sell can be challenging. Researchers at MIT recognized Ripple Labs as one of the 50 smartest companies in 2014, just a few years after the release of XRP. MIT is one of the world's leading private research universities. Banks and other financial institutions have gradually shown interest in using Ripple's payment mechanism. 5 years later, in 2019, more than 200 financial institutions have adopted part of Ripple's technology. Over 300 vendors from 40 countries on 6 continents use the advanced blockchain RippleNet. American Express, Santander, and MoneyGram, a US-based remittance service provider, were among the first to use Ripple. Furthermore, there are rumors that Visa and Western Union are planning to move to the Ripple platform soon. According to many financial and crypto experts, Ripple has the potential to replace SWIFT as the most secure, standardized, and trusted global payment network. This is what the founders of Ripple wanted. Chris Larsen, the co-founder of Ripple, commented in a 2020 interview, "Ripple is one of the most widely used altcoins in the crypto world. Ripple's popularity will increase as the market grows." Ripple's token, XRP, has briefly held the title of the second largest cryptocurrency by market capitalization a few times. You probably already know that Ripple has made some investors rich over the past 5 years, unless you live under a rock. Are you considering a long-term investment in XRP? Would you buy Ripple coins and save them for 10 years? Then you will need to have enough knowledge to come to an informed conclusion that you won't regret later. Well, now is the perfect time to use XRP to get rich. All over the world, there have been investments in digital assets. Ripple trading has made many people rich. There is a lot of evidence that investing in Ripple can make you rich. To help you make an informed choice, this video details XRP. Ripple has come a long way. It is also one of the most important cryptocurrencies. The adoption of Ripple's technology by more than 200 financial institutions shows no signs of slowing down. The perfect time to buy Ripple seems to be now. Ripple is one of the most prominent cryptocurrencies rapidly gaining popularity. It had a remarkable year in 2021 without a price boom. Ripple has the edge over other cryptocurrencies in overall industry acceptance, as it was one of the first, if not the first, cryptocurrencies to be adopted by major banks and financial institutions widely. It uses fiat crypto synergy that no other major cryptocurrency can achieve. It has been adopted by more than 100 banks, including major international companies such as BBVA, Axis Bank, MUFG, SEB, etc. The Ripple Transaction Protocol XRP sends and receives money, information, and digital currency. Ripple's transaction protocol is famous for processing large payments across multiple countries with the lowest possible fees compared to centralized financial institutions. XRP USD has significantly outperformed the stock market since bottoming on March 23, 2020. Ripple supports open-source payments, and XRP is a cryptocurrency that uses the Ripple network. Ripple and XRP mainly focus on cross-border trade payments, while the popular Ethereum network ETH-USD focuses on decentralized finance. Cryptocurrency experts trust Ripple. There are clear signs that the platform will become more acceptable and the coins could become much more valuable. Since significant investment is always within reach of everyone, now is a good time to invest in XRP. A crypto analyst known as an investment scientist has analyzed how much wealth buying $1,000 worth of XRP can make you. First, you will get 3,025 XRP for $1,000 at the current price of 3 and 2. Okay, so what are you looking at? It's not complicated at all. It's pretty simple. If you look at us first, we will direct you to this area where the price lasted about 728 days in the previous cycle. This area acts as a long-term support and resistance zone. XRP traders, at this point, we have supported this same range for 1,890 days. So, if we consider this, one thing becomes clear. Even though we have been consolidating here for a considerable amount of time, and not close to all-time highs, we are up 50x from the bottom of a consolidation or consolidation range to the end together. It is 50 times higher. If you take the average in the direction of the all-time high, you have reached the equivalent of 690 times 69,000%, if you consider that from the cumulative range of this last cycle. Now let's say we're like 0.28, 0.33 if you take that number and apply it to this cycle. Subtract 0.28 from the low of 690 to get 193. If you hit that amount of XRP for that many units, it would now be worth $600,000, which is a considerable sum. We have more supply now than in the last cycle. The market is different, and you can tell a lot. Is 10% of it too much? Ripple facilitates open source payments, and XRP is the cryptocurrency that runs on the Ripple network. Why does the popular Ethereum network focus on decentralized finance while Ripple and XRP focus more on cross-border commercial payments? The massive government stimulus spending to support the economy amid the COVID-19 outbreak is the primary driver of XRP price in 2020. The government has spent more than $6 trillion since the outbreak, and investors worried about hyperinflation have flocked to cryptocurrencies as a potential hedge. XRP was priced at just 19.2 cents in early 2020. The cryptocurrency rose to 23.1 cents in early March as news of the virus spreading in China raised fears of a pandemic in the United States. As the global stock market tumbled on March 13, 2020, XRP fell to a pandemic low of 11.5 cents. The good news for XRP holders is that the cryptocurrency recovered quickly after the stock market stabilized, and the government started making money. Elon Musk, CEO of Tesla Incorporation, added Bitcoin to his Twitter bio on January 19, 2021, and tweeted, "In retrospect, it was inevitable." Musk's post sent the crypto market, especially XRP, skyrocketing. In April 2021, XRP hit a new multi-year high of $1,965 but has since dropped significantly. Those who bought XRP a year ago and continue to buy have made a significant profit. A $1,000 investment in XRP on June 1, 2020 is worth $5,031 in June 2021. Examine the global cross-border financial settlement system and the billions of dollars used for liquidity, and watch the emergence of the Ripple blockchain technology that will capitulate most, if not all, payment markets. Ripple as a business has the potential to expand into trillions of dollars. Here's the basic logic for response: 1-to-1 XRP to dollar. With only 39 billion XRP in circulation, the equivalent of such a large dollar volume can only be discounted if each Ripple coin is equal to the dividend, 60 trillion divided by 39 billion XRP, which makes each Ripple worth plus or minus $1,500. This is the expected value for the next 2 to 3 years. Your network could be worth $1.5 million if you own 1,000 Ripple coins. It's enormous, isn't it? Leave your comments below and subscribe to this channel to stay updated. Also, click the bell to be the first to see updates.